Okay, boys and girls, I've brought us over to our second example for solving unknowns on both sides. Now, I've got the example on the left-hand side for us to see clearly that our aim when we have unknowns on both sides is to eliminate one of the two unknowns. Over here we had 6a and 4a. We eliminated the 4a by doing 4a minus 4a is 0, but because we subtracted 4a from this side, we had to subtract 4a away from this side. 6a minus 4a gave us 2a, and that gave us a normal linear equation with an unknown only on one side, just over here, just the 2a on this side, no a's on this side. So now when we look at the question on the right-hand side, my two unknowns over here are minus 5x and plus 2x. Now, there are actually two ways of eliminating the unknowns. I could, as we saw over here, take away 2x minus 2x and minus 2x. And if I do 2x minus 2x, that cancels out. And on this side, I'd get minus 5x minus 2x is minus 7x. And that's completely fine. There's no harm in that. But my advice when you solve equations with unknowns on both sides is to eliminate the smaller unknown, i.e. keep the unknowns positive. Over here, I've got minus 7x. My unknown now is not positive, it is negative. So I'm going to explain to you what I think is a better way when tackling a question like this. When we first look at this, we have two unknowns, minus 5x over here and plus 2x. Now, the smaller unknown between minus 5 and plus 2 is minus 5. When we think of temperature, minus 5 is colder than 2 degrees. So if we're going to eliminate the smaller unknown, if we're going to eliminate the minus 5x, to eliminate a minus 5, you add 5x. Minus 5x plus 5x gives you 0. But if I add 5x here, I've got to add 5x over here. That gives me 26 doesn't get eliminated, so 26 stays below. Minus 5x plus 5x, that gets eliminated, so 0. The 5, we didn't do anything with the 5, that stays where it is. 2x plus 5x makes plus 7x. And now, once again, we have one of our normal equations. We need to isolate the term with the unknown in it, which is the 7x. We need to isolate that on its own, but it's got this plus 5, so we have to subtract 5 from both sides. That gives us 26 minus 5 is 21. 5 minus 5 cancels out at 0, and we're left with 7x. To finish up, we now need to get the x on its own, so we simply divide both sides by the 7. 7x divided by 7 gives us just the x. 21 divided by the 7 gives us 3, and that's our answer. Now, it's all well and good, but we always need to check that we are correct. So we need to go and do 26 minus 5 times by 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 26 minus 15 is equal to 11, which is to check the other side does the same thing. 5 plus 2 times by 3. 2 times by 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Both sides are equal, meaning the value of x was correct. So let's quickly review. The key things were to eliminate the smaller unknown, so we keep the x positive. Here, minus 5x is smaller than 2x. So we added 5x to eliminate that. We then added 5x to both sides. And then we got one of our normal questions that we're used to working with.